Hello students, this is Sanjay Jadhav. Now it's time for geography. This year you are dealing with standard 8th. Welcome to standard 8th. Dear students, standard 8 is the last year of higher primary education. Welcome to this class. You have been studying geography from standard 3rd to standard 5th as a part of environmental studies and as a separate subject from standard 6th onwards. In this textbook, you are going to study some advanced concepts in geography. This is your textbook of standard 8th. And these contents we are going to learn during this academic year. Today we are going to start first chapter, local time and standard time. Before that, we will revise some previous knowledge. Let us recall, why does the duration of day and night keep changing? The duration of day and night keep changing because the earth rotates on its own tilted axis. This is the earth's tilted axis. As well as the earth revolves around the sun on its elliptical orbit. This is the elliptical orbit of earth. One example we will see. As the earth revolves around the sun, the equator receives perpendicular sun rays on 2 days in a year. This condition occurs on 22nd March and 23rd September. On these 2 days, everywhere on the earth, night time and daytime are equal duration. That means 12 hours night duration and 12 hours day duration. After 22nd March, as the earth moves forward in its orbit, the North Pole inclines more and more towards the sun. North Pole inclines towards the sun. This is North Pole inclines towards the sun. As a result, one by one, consecutive latitudes in the northern hemisphere start receiving perpendicular rays at noon. This continues up to 21st June when the rays fall perpendicular at 23 degree 30 minute north latitude, that is the Tropic of Cancer. On this day, the midday sun is exactly overhead at the Tropic of Cancer. It is the longest day and shortest night in the northern hemisphere and longest night and shortest day in the southern hemisphere. After 21st June, the earth continues its onward journey along the orbit. On 23rd September, it is the equinox day. Sun is exactly overhead at the equator. After 23rd September, as the earth proceeds forward, its south pole inclines more and more towards the sun. South pole, this is South Pole, inclines more and more towards the sun. As a result, one by one consecutive latitudes in the southern hemisphere start receiving perpendicular sun rays at noon. This continues up to 22nd December when the rays of the sun fall perpendicular on 23 degree 30 minutes south latitude, that is the Tropic of Capricorn. On this day, midday sun is exactly overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. It is the longest day and shortest night in the southern hemisphere and shortest day and longest night in the northern hemisphere. Thus, the duration of day and night keep changing.